petrol stations on the Pamir Highway.
I don't know why this is making it change its tone.
This is how my old car. We have no music because the cigarette lighter's died. This is all we have. Have you had a nice day, Tom? So, we reckon this is the Chinese border. You gonna do it? Oh, watch out. Sorry, border control. Passports. I'm in China. China seems alright, to be fair.
Go on, fuck off into China. That one looks a little bit easier to enter. That's the quickest border crossing yet. Back. All the fish in China. So we're in China.
Tom's in China. I'm in China.
We're in
Jake,
China.
what's it like over there?
It's a little bit warmer.
Yeah, it's cold over here. Jake's in Tajikistan. I am in China. Chris is having a waz in China.
Yeah, that counts, doesn't it?
Good. 4,620 meters. Flat to the floor in first gear. Go on, boy. Look at that. So this is the main road that we need to take to get to the Kyrgyzstan border, and because of all the snow melt, as you can see up there, all the snowy hills, this is the road. It's collapsed, and the other guys have gone to try and get down there, but they're now stuck. Their exhaust is broken off, and it's just not the best place to go, so I'm going to try and dig that out. See if we can get across there. I mean, probably not going to work, but got to give it a go. Yeah. What time is it?
It's past 7.
How many past 7?
I don't know, but it's past 7.
Just woken up.
7:30 too late, some would say.
Yeah, I would say that. But
What's the town called? Something Tash?
Sorry, Tash.
Sorry, Tash. Reckon it snowed last night.
yeah.
Yeah, up there.
All the lads. Front, it's in the
No,
front
it's in the
pocket.
boot. I put it in the boot.
Is Chris in there at the moment?
I think so. No, he's not. Yeah. So, plan is to get over the border tonight-ish, over to Kazakhstan, and get as far as we can. And in the morning, tomorrow morning, get to Almaty. Old Calvin needs a few modifications, bit of TLC.
Repairs, more like
Repairs,
modifications.
or attention. So long drives there, probably about 16 hours when it with stops. But it's a nice little spot. Mountains in the background. Goat.
Yeah.
Poor Chris. C. I think it's the coldest it's been so far on the trip. Absolutely freezing. Get her on full.
Fuel situation?
We're about half a tank. I think we're planning on putting the 82 in at some point to mix it in with half a tank. What's your situation?
We're just between half a tank. Well, just under half a tank.
Bit of a knocking noise coming from under here. Jake's gone for another shite.
Should we start a stampede?
Yeah. We've just been stopped by the police for speeding, I presume. Check it out. Me driver.
Hey, just me, yeah, it's fine.
Oh.
Alright, yeah, this, sorry, can I see?
Nobody's for so slow on fire.